Hello, people and illustrators. In this video I'll show you how I made my brand logo using golden ratio. If you watched Muhammad Ashraf videos about it, you have already known what golden ratio is. For those who did not, I will explain. Wikipedia says that two quantities are in the golden ratio if their ratio is the same as the ratio of the sum to the larger of the two quantities. A little bit hard explanation, isn't it? But in practice it is very simple. Best of all, it is shown on Fibonacci spiral, or you can just use a proportion of 1 to 1.618. In case if you want to be more precise, here you have first 1000 digits of this number. So let's go back to the logo. Now I will not tell you about my conception of logo, I would like you to try to guess it. So set pause here, go to the comment section below, and try to guess the concept of my logo. I will explain it later. So first of all, I take different circles trying to understand what proportions I prefer the best. After that, I make it shaped and try to pick up some font that would fit in my logo. It's best when you make your brand logo flexible to changes, so you can easily transform it if need. It works perfectly when your logo is very simple. It should be in one shape. So as you can see, I try here different variations of how my logo can be shown, so it would not be dull. And let's go back to my concept of the logo. For those of you who wrote that it is looking like an arrow, you were right. But it is not all. Also, it has such shapes for an illustrating first letters of my name and surname, which are A and P. I know that it is not really obvious in my logo, but actually I want it to be like that. Also, many of you maybe saw there was a face like my beautiful girlfriend. It was not a part of my concept, but I think it's a nice bonus when your logo creates some questions. So here you have it. Try to make golden ratio logos and illustrations by yourself, and don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram, where you will find much more content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for 200 subscribers.